Can you hear it? The sound of the wind. An adventure that waits for no one. Hear the culture, feel the land, to see the unseen. Journey to a land where few have ever set foot. Now, indulge yourself in your wildest dreams. Discover a local experience shaped by humble nature, one that makes you feel at home. Share in traditions of honor, passed down through the sharing of milk. Become one with the dance, the rhythm, the life they live. Your journey leads you to Shabeelay Resort, designed to become one with the land, where architecture takes its form from the soul of the past. Here, comfort meets authenticity. Thoughtfully designed spaces, immersive local experiences, and modern amenities crafted for today's traveler. Rooted in a vision of continuity and care, this journey is part of Dine for Generations. A national call to honor the land, championed by Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, where heritage is preserved, so tomorrow may inherit today. Experience nature, experience culture, experience refinement. Shabeelay Resort, more to see.